In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bug tracker in Airtable. We'll build a clean, reliable workflow you can use to capture issues, assign them to the right people, and move them through your development process without anything falling through the cracks. Start by opening Airtable and choosing Add a Base. You can begin from scratch or pick the bug tracker template if you want a head start. Either way, you'll have two core tables. One called Bugs and another called Team Members. In the Team Members table, add fields for name, email, and role. This gives you a simple directory to link bugs to the people who will work on them. Now switch to the Bugs table. Create a name or issue field that holds a short, unique description or ID for each bug. Add a description field and set it to long text so you have room for steps to reproduce an expected versus actual behavior. For status, use a single select with options like backlog, in progress, resolved, and closed. Keep these stages focused and unambiguous so your team knows exactly what each one means. For priority, add another single select with values such as critical, high, medium, and low. Next, create an assign to field as a linked record that points to the team members table. Add an attachment field for screenshots or short videos, and include a date submitted field set to create a time so every new record is timestamped automatically. If you need Airtable, I've placed the official link at the very top of the description so you can download the app or open the website and follow along easily. Let's make the workspace more visual. Create a Kanban view on the bugs table and group it by status. Now you can drag and drop issues from backlog through to closed, which makes stand-ups and triage sessions much faster. Next, add a form view so teammates or users can submit bugs without touching the backend. Include fields for description, attachment for screenshots, and a reporter field so you know who submitted the issue. If you don't have reporter yet, you can create it as a short text field right from the form builder. Share the form link and you'll have a steady, structured intake process. Finally, create filtered views to stay focused. Make a My Issues view that filters assigned to the current user, and a critical bugs view that shows only items with priority set to critical. These targeted views help teams act on what matters most, fast. That's it. You now have a complete Airtable bug tracker that captures, prioritizes, assigns, and tracks issues from start to finish. Thanks for watching.